Welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a 1976 Echo C602 VL chainsaw. It's in great shape. It was bought to cut a tree down, used one time, and has been setting ever since. Comes with the original owner's manual and toolkit. It's in very good shape. We'll take a look at some of the features it has. Original bar on it, 24-inch, and original chain. Looks like they filed it one time. And we'll take a close-up at the features. Take a close-up look at the features it has. Very powerful saw. 59 cc's. Power head on that is 17 pounds. Kill switch is right on top here. Easy to get at. Choke's right here, little black button. It's got a great feature here I like. It's the decompression valve. Just push that forward. That decompressionizes the cylinder, and then you flip it back when you start the saw. Adjustable oiler, automatic, plus a manual oiler right here. This is a hand guard. Remember, this was made in '76. Chain brakes weren't real popular back then. But just look how clean that saw is. To adjust the tension on the bar and chain, you loosen the two nuts up here. And right here is the tensioner right there. It's been riding around a toolbox, it looks like there. Got a little scuff is all that is. It's a very clean, good running chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.